Hi, I'm Michael Crosby, Service Manager here at Windsor Mazda. Today we're going to discuss how Mazda's Oil Life Monitor system helps with an oil change schedule. Hello and welcome to Windsor Mazda, located at 1155 Provincial Road, Windsor, Ontario. We are talking today about understanding the Mazda Oil Life Monitor. Most Mazda vehicles come equipped with an electronic computer system linked to the dash, which tells the driver when your maintenance is required. If you neglect a service light such as change engine oil, you can risk damaging the engine or even end up stranded on the side of the road. For these reasons, during your scheduled maintenance on your cars, it's essential to keep it running well so you can avoid many inconvenient and possible expensive repairs that come from neglect. How the Mazda Oil Light System works. The Mazda Oil Light Monitor system is a tool used to remind the driver when their car is ready for an oil change. The Oil Life Monitor system is set up in several ways to fit your driving habits. The flexible option is dynamic and software-based, an algorithm-driven device that considers various engine conditions to help determine when the oil needs to be changed. The engine oil life is reflected as a percentage that will be displayed on the dashboard. Certain driving habits will affect the life of the oil. A more moderate driving condition and temperature will require less frequent oil changes and maintenance. The Mazda Oil Life meter comes located on the information display. It's on the dashboard of your vehicle. It will count down from approximately 8,000 kilometers or 6 months. As you continue to drive the car, the computer will remind you to change the engine oil soon, giving you ample time to plan once your indicator reaches 0%. If you do wait and servicing is overdue, you could risk damaging the engine, which could leave you stranded. A qualified technician should perform maintenance tasks. If you have any questions or concerns about what Mazda maintenance system means or what services your vehicle may need, don't hesitate to contact us at 735-2211, area code 519, or visit our website at www.windsormazda.com. Thanks for watching.